While you're waiting for perfect equipment with maybe 10 million naira, 15 million naira to set up your business, someone has actually started a good standard bakery business in her room. And the turnover is amazing. Everything is moving smoothly. I was just invited to make some corrections so that there'll be no complaint, to stop some of the complaints. Now, when I got there, I observed that the mixer was the problem. So just make that amendment and everything is perfect. Let me take you through the bakery. Welcome to Port Harcourt. This is the Garden City of Nigeria. So we are going straight to the bakery, one-room bakery. Here we are. Now you can see the table, pans. You can see the flour by this side, and then you can see the mixer here. This is just one room setup. Now if you observe, if you look closely, you will observe that the mixer, the spiral rod is not actually pulling the dough properly. That is the major problem. And then it creates that hole. And that hole has been, initially that hole is normal, but as the mixing progresses, that hole is supposed to close and form a ball, but it's not happening. So the rod is not very close to the base of the mixer basin. So it's just scoping at the surface. So I advise her, the rod that was fixed is not the size of the mixer, so she should go and get a good size. So we managed to do something like this for her, to show her, give her good recipe and good formulation. So we try our best. It took us a very long time. Now you can see her oven, just fabricated oven. So we have to teach her also how to manipulate this oven in order to have a very nice loaf. So she put it on. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to this channel. So the way they construct this oven, the fire source is up and down. So after lighting the base or the downside, we also put it on the one at the top so that the heat will be properly circulated. At this point, we are feeding the oven gradually, and the heat is more concentrated at the top because even the flame from the base is going upward. So we try our best. You can see how beautiful it looks. But at this point, the base of the bread was not properly baked. So we have to put off the heat source from the one at the top so that, the surface of the bread will not get burnt, while we maintain a low heat from the base so that it will also, get it done. In order for the bread to bake evenly, we have to move it from the upper deck to the lower deck so that the base of the bread will also be properly baked. That way we'll have a very nice, consistent, good quality loaf. So this was our method, but we told her that there is no need to, bake using those big trays. So all you have to do is to load the pans just directly without putting it in a tray, and then lower the heat from the surface, and it will give you a good, beautiful result. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Bye-bye. Please don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on that like button because it is very, very important. God bless you. Thank you for watching my videos. I really, really appreciate. Bye.